Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARAY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I'm not sure I've ever done this one before, but definitely want to get some things updated here from the charting perspective, as the chart after today's pretty rough movement is down, sitting around some pretty historic levels, where if the price gets down there, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it does create a very interesting setup. And the main level here that I'm talking about is, like I said, the price isn't quite down there yet, but in the next coming days, it's definitely within striking distance, and that's right around the $4 to $3.95 range, which, if you can see looking back through the history of the chart, right there, not only acted as support, but after acting as support, provided a very nice bounce point where, like I said, I'm stating the obvious there, but nice price movement followed. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. If the price were to sink down, here to the $4 range, is there a guarantee? Am I saying that it will for sure, just bounce back upwards like it did in the past? Like I said, I wish trading was that easy, but there is no such thing as a guarantee. So no, I'm not saying that. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that that would for sure happen, because quote unquote for sure's imply guarantees, and the market does not offer a guarantee other than the guarantee of there are no guarantees. So keep an eye on $4 if you haven't connected those dots. That's definitely going to be the very important level of support going forward in the event this downwards momentum continues. In the event, though, the price does start to bounce back upwards, where's some of these key levels of resistance at? As it stands right now, it's all about the pink line right here, which is the famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and you know that when the prices blow it, it does tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of turnaround or anything like that, that first, even if the price doesn't go down to $4, but maybe the price starts to go sideways over the next few days and then starts to venture back upwards, that doesn't change the fact that public enemy number right now on any sort of bounce is going to be that 200-day moving average, currently valued right there around $4.73. So very interesting setup. From a trading perspective, we'll see if the price can pull back here, get a little bit more overextended to the downside around $4, and that very well could create a nice opportunity. Although I should note that if you are not good at honoring stop losses, managing risk, and all that sort of good stuff, then these are definitely not the setups for you. But if you can approach a trade in a very risk-defined and analyzed way, then yeah, this could be a very very profitable trade. We'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.